Welcome to my channel Fair Electro. Today I will tell you how to make running LED by using Arduino. For this you need these things: Arduino, breadboard, five different color LEDs, jumper wires. Let's start. Fix all LED on breadboard like this. Connect negative pin of all LED to ground. Connect jumper wires on positive pins of all LED. Connect negative wire to ground on breadboard. Now connect Arduino to the computer system. Upload this code into the Arduino. You can get this code from description. Connect positive wires of LED to pin 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 on Arduino. Connect negative wire on G and D pin of Arduino. Let's test. Connect power cable to Arduino. Again connect Arduino to the computer system. Make changes in the code and then see the result. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos.